How to make YouTube banner using AI for free. Creating an eye-catching YouTube banner can significantly enhance your channel's branding and attract more viewers. In this tutorial, you will learn how to design a professional-looking YouTube banner for free using AI tools. Whether you're launching a new channel or refreshing your existing design, this step-by-step guide will help you create a custom banner that stands out. So let's get started. So first, open any web browser you want to use and search for Bing Create AI. As you can see, mine is already searched for Bing Create AI. After you searched for Bing Create AI, click the link from the Bing website as you can see in the video. If you are inside of the link you click, make sure that you have a Microsoft account because you need one to generate the banner for YouTube. As you can see, I already logged in since I have my own account. After you create and or log into your account, click the text box and type the ideas you want to make a banner. For example, I just paste the idea for the banner of YouTube. All I have to do is click the Create button to generate the banner for my idea that I paste. It will take a few seconds or a minute, so I or you just need to wait since it will generate some ideas for your banner and put it on your YouTube. As you can see, these are all the choices that they generate. For example, I choose a random banner, so I click it. From here, if you want to resize the banner, just click the resize button. These are the choices where it's up to you if you want your banner to be in square or landscape mode. If you are satisfied with this banner, just click the download button to download the banner for your YouTube channel. If you want to edit your banner, it's up to you if you want to. Like you can use Canva and edit your banner, or you can use other editing programs to edit your banner. Congratulations! You've successfully created a professional YouTube banner using AI tools. Remember to maintain your branding across all platforms for consistency. Consider updating your banner periodically to reflect changes in your content or channel focus. With these skills, your channel is now better equipped to attract viewers and make a lasting impression.